guys, welcome back, and today's another video, and today we will now be doing our main day of exploring of Hamelin Bay. So I hope you enjoy this video. Like, subscribe, and let's see what's in store for us. Hamelin Bay Holiday Park it is here. This is Hamelin Bay Holiday Park.
Mana sih Dek buka jaketnya ya? Mami lagi yang ketiban bawa jaket. Buka jaket.
It's not hot. Heading down to the Hamelin Bay beach. Just if you needed a bit of history background. There's a lot of fauna and flora here. All of different types. But it doesn't look so diverse because all of them are green. All of them have a green tint to them. Later on today we're going to go swimming. Let's hope we can find some stingrays. Okay, so anyways, we're back from touching stingrays. Of course, we saw quite a bit, but they started going away after a bit. But anyways, we're going to be going down through Augusta.
Come here. Come here.
We're going to be doing a bit more swimming stuff,
Come here.
I think. Look how big these trees are, just like in the Valley of the Giants, except a bit skinny. It's like a forest. It is a forest. Sort of. Still going through the forest. No signs of life other than us at the moment on this road. Very dense one. Now we just left outside.
Swimming nggak ada.
There we go. Now it's nice and uncovered. But we'll go back through the forest again. Anyways, we're heading back. We're heading back around. We went back around because we missed the road that we were supposed to turn on. So, anyways, running back to Bushby Road. 700 meters ahead of us. 600 and something. So anyways, reason we turned back, we missed the road that we were supposed to turn onto. So we just turned back so we can turn onto that road so we can head somewhere. Swimming, maybe. Yeah, Bushby Road is called. Okay, so we finally exited Bushby Road. Now on our way to Augusta. Augusta.
Magnificent ship.
There's sufficient ships.
Ini banyak juga ni.
Yeah, very cool. A bit. There's our view. It's going downhill.
Apa?
Beautiful ocean breeze. Just heading off to the coast right now.
Davis. Tengah tu Davis.
So we're near the coast. Definitely near the beach, that's for sure. Just trying to look for a good view. So there. Slightly less good view. There, that's what I see. This is coast of Augusta, I guess. Hello guys. Now here we are already at Granny's Pool, which is again another one of Australia's many beaches. Not that big on first sight. I mean, like, it's still decent with these rocks to sit on. It's also a good place to sunbathe, but I'm gonna make it mine. Yeah, there. Don't look at that scene. It's also a good place to sunbathe. It's called Granny's Pool because of the rocks that surround it. You can see over there. Because it's surrounded, the only really real pool is over there. Also, have a big tide. So you're safe if you have hats like me. Also, dark patches, like this one right in front of me, are just patches of seaweed. So they're not that interesting. But if you do want to check it out, get a bit closer. I want to get wet though. I don't know if there's fish here. As in a lot of fish. Yeah, let's go over to that one over there. Here's one of the big tides. Okay, here's the bigger tide. Here's the big tide. And I've got my pants a bit wet. Not wet because it's a little pool here. Water. So that's how high up to the dark, up to that little tan line, let's say. Quite beautiful. Here we go onto the massive rock. Here we go. Jetties that you can jump off, step down and start your swim. It's quite windy as well. Of course not. Let's see. Oh, straight get off the mile. Let's see if this gets up to my level. Big waves, that's not real waves. Get super duper close. Why do these waves get so big all of a sudden? That's what I'm wondering now. You know what, guys? We should probably go to that one over there. Let's see how good that one is compared to this one. It's alright. This is one of the jetties. There's a real islands a bit down there. You can barely see it. Oh, I'm just waiting for a big wave, so that's why I'm like this. Oh, here we go. So this is what we could have. I don't know what the biggest is though. Yeah, maybe. Maybe not. I'm sort of wet, but at least it's not my camera. So anyways, back to the car. Let's just go off to the toilet, and after this we're gonna have fish and chips for lunch. This is gonna be delicious. Okay, so this is one of the many places where you can get a lunch. This is basically fish and chips. Pretty sure, yeah, fish and chips. It's called the Deck Chair Cafe, if you ever wanted to know. If you ever wanted to have a nice snack. Something here in Augusta. One of many restaurants in the area. Let's hope it's yummy. Well, there's one unique thing in Augusta. A pizza shop in a bus. Okay, so I believe we are here at Margaret River. Okay, that confirms it. Yeah, we are at Margaret River. Here's the campus. So that confirms things. This is where we're gonna get our lunch. Fish and chips, most likely.
Fish and chip up, wow.
Okay, now we're walking to get our lunch. This is Margaret River, one up place in Margaret River. One little shopping place. Whoever wanted to get stuff like food, have a haircut, get your day-to-day clothing, all that sort of good stuff. A few trailer food trucks here and there, like that Korean food. Just going up through the downtown area of Margaret River. Very quiet because it just closed the road, but now it's open. It's a bit of road works and they're done. Oh wait.
There's no KFC. Go City.
My foot is a bit dead.
Let's go.
So, what is there around? Of course, there's a shoe shop, a bank, every necessary stuff, place to get drinks, toys and all that. Just some local fish, local shops, tents. Get like arts and stuff. Just get things set up. This is a restaurant. There's some kind of music playing, probably Turkish. So this is what we're having, the kebabs and what we're having for lunch. So here we go, I got my drink. It's matcha color milk tea. Hopefully it's very nice. Little brother got orange juice, which is quite common for him to get. And Dad's just getting our lunch. Alright, here's my drink. Let's see if it's very nice or not. Tastes like organic. Tastes organic. Tastes powdery. Oh, here comes our lunch. Here comes our lunch. There.
Oh, yes.
Ooh, what's that?
Jangan minum dulu, nanti. Ya, ini chicken. Ini chicken aja. Nah, ini dedek.
So anyways, finished with lunch. There's people, I can see this, they are just setting up the market, the local markets, thing just being set up, which is fun to look at, but there's also Wi-Fi, so this is how far we have to go to get Wi-Fi. Surprising. Here there's a picnic. Come on.
Sini, Mami. Mami holding. Ya Allah. Holding.
Now I'm pretty sure we're heading back
Nggak nyusi kita kan?
to the car now. I think. Well, I don't know though. We may explore that area a bit more. Wait, let's see if I zoom in. Okay. Here's the view.
At home.
So yeah. It's a very nice part of Margaret River. Very. At the moment, I'm looking for souvenirs or magnets, for fridge magnets, so we can remember this place.
You can maybe try, yeah, we've just got these, that one, and there was another one. Let me have a look and see if I can find it, but yeah, if not, there's that one.
Dragonfly. Yeah.
Just in this little shop here.
Tak boleh. Perang dikit pada
Didn't find any bag magnets there.
Mau diapain?
So we're still going to try and find magnets. Okay, so anyways guys, we are heading off from Margaret River to Surface Point, which, wait, let me just show you, which is down
Turn right
there,
onto Surfers Point Road.
if you can't see all the waves. So that's why they call it Surface Point. And we're going there to explore the
In
little
600
natural
meters,
wonders.
enter the roundabout.
The little natural wonders that lie on the shoreline.
River Mood ini, Din.
Bukan Genara.
Nggak tahu. Jenara Bab
You have
nih.
arrived.
Ini mas server.
Surfer Point. Oh, betul ya, Surfer Point ya.
Anyways, here we are, Surface Point.
Orang surfer semua ya.
Haven't we been here
Dulu kan
before?
kita sini kan?
Iya.
Haven't we been here before?
Yang
Yeah.
Genara Beach.
Yang mana? Coba tuh.
It's called Surface Point.
Huh?
It's called. Okay, I don't mind that people are talking in the background. It's called Surface Point because there's a lot because of the waves. Most likely. Most likely, which are very good for surfers because they're quite long, massive, quite rough. So we didn't get to go swimming
Doggy.
because of dogs.
Apa tuh itu ya?
I go inside.
No, doggy. Mommy's scared of doggy. You go by yourself.
Because of dogs, apparently. My little brother doesn't care. He just wants to swim.
Udah nggak ada ya?
Currently driving through Boranut Forest. Very tall trees, as you can see on both sides.
Aku mau ngambil ini.
Foto ya?
Thank you.
Hah?
Aku jalan aja.
Alright. Here we are. So, basically, we finally arrived back at our campsite, Hamelin Bay Holiday Park. Of course, it's sort of outdated, let's say. There's no way to actually access the internet because there's no service. Okay. So here
Your
we are.
destination is on the left.
Bro, why is Google Maps so loud? So I'm gonna just show you around. Here's the reception This is where you book into find your camping spot. Then there's this one massive road, which is the main road, so you can board off.
Where are
To
we?
the side, 117.
Yeah, we turn from there. Turn right from there, okay?
The road that is the same material. Okay, so anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. And I'll be in the next video.